A very good evening, everyone. And now we are going to discuss the second article of today's Hindu editorial. The heading of the second article is Just Closure. So, we'll go deep into the article and discuss the vocabulary part and the words which are very difficult to understand. So, I'll give you the brief analysis of this article. The focus must be on adequate compensation for families of fishermen killed by marines. So the focus must be on adequate compensation. What is meant by compensation? So needs for families of fishermen killed by marines. Okay, killed families of fishermen killed by marines. Marine is nothing but aquatic life. It may seem pragmatic to keep any pending litigation alive until all dues relating to it are paid and all legal issues are settled. It may seem pragmatic. Pragmatic is nothing but practical, realistic, sensible, matter of fact. For example, he took a pragmatic look at the situation. To keep any pending litigation. Litigation is nothing but legal. The process of taking legal action, lawsuit. For example, both sides agreed to the settlement to avoid the expense of litigation. Alive until all dues relating to it are paid and all legal issues are settled. However, it is somewhat puzzling. It is a little bit confused that the Supreme Court of India has said it would keep the Italian Marines case alive until hefty and adequate compensation is paid by Italy for the killing of two fishermen by its marines on February 15, 2012. It's somewhat puzzling. Puzzle itself is mixed up. That the Supreme Court of India said that it would keep the Italian Marines case alive until hefty. Hefty is nothing but large and heavy, bulky. For example, her salary will go up by hefty 13%. Okay, and adequate compensation, required compensation is paid by Italy for killing of two fishermen by its marines on February 15, 2012. The court has indicated that it would not allow the closure of the trail until such compensation is paid. The court will not allow the Italian Marines until some compensation is paid to them, and it has ordered that families of victims. The court has and it has ordered that families of the victims be heard on this matter. Yes, families of victims must also put an ear on this issue. Once the Union government has declared that it would abide by the ruling of the Permanent Court of Arbitration at the Hague, which granted immunity to the Marines and favored Italy as the appropriate jurisdiction where they could be tried for the crime. It does not seem proper to delay the process of bringing closure to the matter. As soon as the Union government declared that it would abide the ruling Permanent Court of Arbitration. Permanent Court of Arbitration. What is meant by arbitration? Arbitrary is nothing but mediating. In Hague, which granted immunity, yes, of course, to the Marines and favored Italy as appropriate jurisdiction, means judgment, where they could be tried for the crime, it does not seem proper to delay the process of bringing closure to the matter. For one thing, the PCA Arbitral Tribunal adjudicates the disputes under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. An arbitral tribunal that adjudicates arbitral relating to use arbitrator using a mediator to settle a dispute. For example, the arbitral system was equally necessary to deal with breach of property. Adjudicates, make a formal judgment judge. For example, he was asked to adjudicate on the dispute. And the next one is next has itself ruled that India is entitled to compensation for loss of life, physical harm, material damage to property, and moral harm suffered by the captain and crew members of Saint Anthony, the fishing vessel involved, and mandated negotiations on the quantum. So, what India will never leave this? Why? Because two fishermen died because of the Italy marines. So India always takes care of every life of the people. It does not cause physical harm or any harm in its property. Second, it hardly needs emphasis that the pendency of the matter in court should not become a bargaining point that delays the reaching of a fair settlement. Secondly, it hardly needs emphasis the pendency of matter. Pendency means state of being pending or awaiting. For example, the pendency of the litigation is a cause of concern. Okay, and the next one is what does this mean is secondly it needs a pendency of the matter, and it is saying that you must not be in a point such that you should bargain to get a fair settlement. Continuing hearings may also be seen as India reluctant to cease all criminal proceedings against the Marines as per the ruling. The court's resolve to obtain adequate and hefty compensation for the families of the victims is welcome, though it would be difficult to have a judicial termination of what quantum would satisfy these requirements. Though it is very difficult to satisfy all the requirements of the victims, it will compulsory complete the needs of all the victims. And the next one is the center may have approached the top court for formal permission to close the pending trial proceedings as a matter of abundant caution. But as far as the law goes, it could have approached the trial court itself, the public prosecutor, for withdrawal from prosecution under section 321 of the CRPC. Too many legal tangles have already caused enough diplomatic rupture in the progression of the Enrica Lexi Saint Anthony cause since 2012. So what? Too many legal tangles is going on there, have already caused enough diplomatic rupture. Diplomatic rupture. Rupture is nothing but to crack, to split out or fracture. For example, high wind caused the oil tank to rupture. Article 253 of the Constitution, which says Parliament may enact a law to give effect to an international treaty or convention, has been cited to argue that in a view of the arbitral court's finding on jurisdiction being in conflict with the Supreme Court ruling in 2013 that the Union government alone can try the case, a law may be needed before the trial is closed. And what they are saying is Article 253 of the Constitution says that Parliament must enact a law for all this international sufferers also. And the next one is has been cited to argue that in view of arbitral court finding on jurisdiction being in conflict, the Supreme Court ruling in 2013. This is just needles quibbling, as the conflict has ceased after India agreed to abide by the tribunal's ruling in keeping with its obligations under UNCLOS. Quibbling is nothing but raising or objection over trivial matters. For example, there is no point quibbling over a couple of dollars. India's focus should now be on negotiating for compensation and ensuring a purposive criminal trial in Italy. Oh yes. So what is it going on? How is the tone of the article? So India's from there. So last sentence. If you read the last sentence, the answer will be pakka and 100% suggestive. But you should not decide the tone of the article by reading the last sentence. The total article today is, second article is informative. Okay. I thank everyone of you for watching this video.